Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I've come up with another great news. So TCS, they have announced another massive pan-India off-campus hiring. Now this is the TCS Sigma hiring. Now this is for the 2024 passing out pharma graduates and postgraduates, that is for Mpharm and Bpharm graduates. So in this video I'll be sharing like who are eligible to apply, what are the important dates, and then what will be that like test pattern, and then like how to apply, right? So the registration is already started and the last date to apply is 18th of October 2023. Do not wait until the last date, because so most likely this is a physical, you have to appear for the exam at a physical location, right? So let's say for example, if you are choosing, if you want to choose Chennai, it so happened in the previous exams that so people who are interested to book Chennai, they didn't get the slots towards the end of the date of registration. So choose, and do not look only for the tier 1 cities. As far as TCS is concerned, the locations are available even in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So just look for your whatever your nearest convenient location, and then you choose your location carefully. So registration, do not wait until the last date. Anyhow, last date to register is 18th of October. So and the test date is 18th and 19th of November 2023. And so usually what happens is that the shortlisted candidates will get the admit card, the exam communication 2 or 3 days before. So you can expect it around like 15th or 16th of November. The shortlisted candidates can expect the communication, right? So who are eligible to apply for this? The 2024 passing out Bpharm and Mpharm graduates are eligible to apply for this, and they allow a maximum of one current arrear. So one active backlog is permitted, as well as gap in education is concerned, a maximum of 2 years, right? And there is no any experience required. This is for freshers. So this is an entry level role, so no prior experience required. Now regarding the test pattern, so they've just mentioned like 80 questions and 140 questions. I'll show you what happened last time, the pattern. I'll tell you, and also I'll tell you like how to apply that information also I'll share. The link to apply I provided in the description below. After listening to the video fully, you can go to the apply link. Now as far as the test pattern is concerned, now this is the test pattern that happened last time. So the duration is like 140 minutes. In the first 65 minutes in section 1, they covered like quantitative aptitude, verbal aptitude, and reasoning ability. So in our channel Learning About, we have videos related to reasoning ability and quantitative aptitude. All the relevant videos links are given in the description below. And as far as verbal ability is concerned, we have a practice platform. So the questions are available there. Actual TCS questions are available there. You can look at it. And in section 2, you have the domain test. So the duration is like 75 minutes. And the domain test it covered modules like clinical data management, pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs, and general domain. So all these will be like multiple choice questions, mostly multiple choice questions. Maybe in some of the quantitative aptitude questions you may have to enter you have to type the numbers. So that's quite possible, right? So this is regarding the test pattern, right? Now on how to apply, now the link to apply, as I said, is given in the description below. If you are a first time user, when you click on it, it will ask whether you want to register under BPS or IT. Now you have to register under BPS category. Please remember, you have to register under BPS category, and then you have to fill in the application form. So first you have to do a basic registration, for which Aadhaar is mandatory. So Aadhaar, please remember, Aadhaar is mandatory. So because there are a lot of duplicate IDs and all in the previous years. So to now restrict that, they have made Aadhaar mandatory. So you have to enter your name and other details as in the Aadhaar, the communication and all that. So as in the Aadhaar card. So once you fill up your basic details, you will get a mail to your email ID, the registered email ID. Then you can use either your email ID as your login, or you will get a DT number. You can use the DT number and then the password that you have given, and then you can log in, and then you can complete the application form, which will ask for your address for communication, your academic details and other things, okay, and you have to also upload your resume, okay, so in Word or PDF format, and you have to also upload your latest photograph. Now when you complete, like your certification details and whatever relevant details, okay, so if you complete filling everything, right, so finally the status should be like application received. Now after that, okay, so they're saying that you have to usually on the left side top, okay, so you get this apply for drive, right, so you have to click on that apply for drive. Now once, so now that is a confirmation that, okay, so you have applied for this particular drive. Please remember, you have to register under BPS category, so you have to click on apply for drive. Now after you have clicked on apply for drive, how to confirm? If you click on the track my application, if you click on track my application, it should show applied for drive. The status should be applied for drive. Now that is your confirmation that, okay, the application has reached TCS, right? So with this I come to the end of this video. Now if you have any queries, like, please do post your questions in the comment section here, or you can reach me through my Insta handle. Now I hope this video was useful to you. If you like this video, please click on the like button and then share it with your friends. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.